The Freedom Independence offers precision temperature control for optimal comfort and enjoyment. Options for operation include the control panel, remote control, and Wi-Fi phone application. This video will provide an overview using the remote control. If you have further questions after watching this video, additional details can be found in the operation manual included with your Freedom stove. The Freedom Independence remote control is included with the stove and will allow access to the control panel. The remote control will allow you to turn the stove on and off. Simply press the on button to turn the stove on and the off button when you want to turn the stove off. You can also use the control panel for turning the stove on and off and to verify the operation status. On the left side of the remote control, we have a warm air fan plus button and a warm air fan minus button. These buttons will allow control of the warm air circulation level on all modes of operation except for eco. On the right side of the remote control, we have a fire plus button and a fire minus button. These buttons will control the size of your fire and overall heat output level on all modes of operation except for eco. Moving back over to the left side of the remote control, we have an auto button. The auto button will allow the user to switch between automatic operation and manual operation modes. It's always best to confirm your mode of operation by viewing the control panel. The remote control uses a CR2025 battery. We recommend replacement when there are connectivity issues to the control panel or when the remote control has not been used for long periods of time. The Freedom Independence remote control has been designed to offer additional convenience and ease of use. Always refer to your owner's manual when operating your Freedom stove. Visit your local dealer or freedomstoves.com to learn more.